Your Samsung computer has a user-friendly feature called the Samsung Support Center, which is pre-installed to provide you with troubleshooting help for anything from system diagnosis to internet assistance. Follow along with this video to learn how to navigate the Samsung Support Center. To access your Samsung Support Center, click the icon pre-installed on your desktop or click Start, followed by All Programs. Now choose the Samsung Programs folder and click the Samsung Support Center folder, followed by Samsung Support Center. You may receive a security pop-up window. If you do, allow this program to run by clicking Yes. You'll notice that the Support Center has several helpful topics on its main page. Click on Troubleshooting to view commonly occurring system errors under the Self-System Checkup tab. If one of the problems listed describes your issue, simply select it and follow the instructions. For example, if you are having trouble accessing the Internet, click on I cannot access the Internet. The Samsung Support Center will provide you with the steps you need to fix the problem. Also under Troubleshooting, you'll find the System Diagnosis tab. Select this tab when you cannot find a solution on your own and need to pinpoint the specific issue. Click on System Diagnosis and make sure the specific area or all areas you need diagnosed or checked, then click on Start. If there's a system issue, the System Diagnosis will locate it for you so you can address it on your own or with Samsung customer support. Any problem areas will be posted on the Troubleshooting main page. If there is an easy fix, the Fix button will appear beneath Found. The Samsung Support Center also provides you with a list of system utilities to help you manage your system. Select System Utilities and you'll find helpful ways to keep things running smoothly and improve functionality. There's help with file transfers, disk defragmentation for better operation, internet customization, security support, network management, and extending your PC's battery life. Click on Samsung Internet Assistance to connect to Samsung customer support through an internet chat function. Note, you must be connected to the internet for this. Just click Connect and you can begin your live chat with a Samsung specialist by clicking Live Chat and following the prompts. The great thing about Internet Assistance is that should you not be able to find a solution through chat, Samsung support personnel can access your computer online to find the problem. The agent can use your computer's programs, files, and network resources to look for things you might have missed and solve your issue as if they were right there at your computer. Select Samsung Update to see a list of any of your available updates. You'll be able to start the process right from here if any updates are currently available for you. Click on System Restore and Backup for your restoration options. You can perform a system restore which will restore your system without affecting any of your personal files like emails and documents. There's also an option for a complete restore which will clean out everything and restore your PC as if it's the day you purchased it. And there's also another option for Samsung Recovery Solution which provides more specific and custom restoration and backup options. Read the descriptions and simply click on the button of your choice. Finally, the Samsung Support Center provides helpful user guides to make it even easier for you to tackle any PC issues. Click on User Guide, then choose between the traditional user guide, which features tips on anything from getting started to properly backing up, or the Troubleshooting User Guide, which shows you frequently asked questions, prevention tips, and restoration assistance. Use the Samsung Support Center to keep your personal computer in top form and to make sure you have expert troubleshooting always at your fingertips.